In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a travel notification with Bank of America. Travel notifications can be essential for ensuring smooth financial transactions while you're away. By notifying your bank in advance, you can avoid any potential disruptions when you use your card internationally or across different states. Let's dive in and explore how you can set this up quickly and easily. First, make sure you've got everything you need at your fingertips, such as your Bank of America account details and your travel itinerary. It's important to have a clear understanding of your travel destinations and the dates you'll be away. This information is crucial as it helps the bank monitor any unusual activity on your account that may arise due to your travels. Now let's go over to the Bank of America website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so using your online banking credentials. Once you're in, look for the Service Center tab in the navigation menu. Clicking on this tab will take you to a section where you can manage various aspects of your banking experience. Under the Service Center, you'll find the option named Manage Travel Notices, or something similarly titled, as the layout may vary slightly. Click on that and you'll be presented with fields to fill out your travel details. Here is where you enter the countries or states you're visiting and the dates you plan to be there. It's a straightforward process, but ensure you double check everything to prevent any errors. Alternatively, if you prefer to use your mobile device for this process, Bank of America has a user-friendly app that offers the same functionality. Simply open the app, log in, and navigate to the Help and Support section. There, you should find the option to create a travel notice. Fill in your information as you would on the website. It's worth mentioning that due to the advancements in fraud detection technology, Bank of America may sometimes not require a travel notice if your location services are on. This helps the bank automatically detect your travel and adjust your transaction settings accordingly. However, it's still a good practice to set one up, especially if you're venturing to more remote or less traveled locations. Remember to save or confirm your travel details once you've entered them. After this, your travel notification is set, and Bank of America will be aware of your movements. This proactive step can potentially save you time and hassle when trying to make purchases abroad. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Bank of America's customer service for further assistance. They're available through their website, app, or phone support. Safe travels, and rest assured your financial transactions should now proceed smoothly on your adventures.